This video is continuing the binomial distribution. We're going to look at how to calculate the mean, variance, and standard deviation. This is going to be one of the easiest mean, variance, and standard deviation calculations you see in this course. For the mean of a binomial, all you need to do is take n, your number of trials, times p, your probability of success on any given trial. To find your variance, you take n times p times q. To get your standard deviation, take the square root of your variance. All right, we're going to look at example 12. Flip a coin 9 times. Find the mean and standard deviation for the number of heads. All right, flip a coin 9 times, find the mean and standard deviation. First thing we have to do is figure out, okay, yeah, this is a binomial. I'm flipping it 9 times. They're independent. We know how many trials. The probability stays the same on each one. So to find the mean, we just have to take n times p. So we're going to flip the coin 9 times. So our n is 9. The probability of flipping a heads on any given time, and I apologize, the question should be more explicit. It should say, here I lost, on this document I lost for the number of heads. So find the mean and standard deviation for the number of heads. P, the probability of heads on any given flip, is 0.5. So 9 times 1/2 or 0.5, 9 halves or 4.5. Now, if you think about it, that should have some intuitive appeal to you. If you were to flip a coin 8 times and I'd ask you just logically how many heads would you expect, most of you would say 4. If you'd flip a coin 10 times and I ask you how many heads you would expect, you'd say, well, most of the time 5. At 9, we're halfway between that, 4.5. The mean is telling us the expected value. All right, so the mean for example 12, 4.5. Now, to find the standard deviation, calculate the variance. Here we take n, 9, times p, 1/2 or 0.5, times q, 1/2 or 0.5, which is 9/4 or 2.25. Keeping in mind, that's the variance, is 2.25. To get the standard deviation, we need to take the square root. Square root of 2.25 is 1.5, or if you were working in fractions, 3/2.